Good.
You can put that on the internet.
Yeah, what's up, man?
That's awesome.
Good. Good.
Oh shit! What the hell was that? Oh shit!
I believe I can fly. I believe.
Yeah. Good.
Oh shit!
Yeah, good. You go ahead. Yeah.
Not funny.
You got it?
Yeah, go ahead.
What's up, partner?
Hey.
Oh shit! Yeah, go. Kids all right?
Go.
Woo! You all right? Check that shit out on YouTube, alright? Take it easy. Think he's gonna do a practice swing?
Probably. Yep. Oh, let him hit it.
Come on, man.
No, let him hit it. Let him hit it. He can't hit us.
Do it, Happy Gilmore.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. What's up, man? I scared you?
Yeah, man. What are you guys doing?
Filming a video of train horn pranks, man. Another fucking wild Snorlax. You ready, bud?
Mm-hmm.
Shit. Keep it going. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, what are you gonna do? Train's coming. Train's coming, people.
I can't see.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Stupid ass.
Got this homeless guy sleeping. Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's Morgan Freeman.
Fucking Bill Cosby.
Okay.
What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? I'm trying to fucking skate.
Ginger donut souls.
How you doing today?
Jackass.
Paul Blart.
Good.
Nope, no train horns under here. But this does make me want to take a moment to thank our sponsor for today, Morgan & Morgan Law Firm. All law firms, though, are not created equally. And when you are seriously hurt, your injury could be worth millions. And the biggest problem is that most insurance companies will lowball people every time. Morgan & Morgan will fight to get you the money that you deserve. In fact, Morgan & Morgan doesn't settle for lowball offers. And actually, over the last several months along the East Coast, they have seen over $40 million worth of settlement. Because fighting a big company takes a big company. Morgan & Morgan is America's largest injury firm. They are ready to take on any insurance company of any size. Morgan & Morgan has modernized the process so much that you can submit claims, talk with your law team, and do everything from your smart mobile device. And it only takes a few minutes to submit and see if you have a case. You can start your claim now with Morgan & Morgan at www.forthepeople.com or click the link in the description below. Now let's go ahead and get back to the video.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Hey, what's your fucking phone?
Hey, calm down, man.
Got another guy chasing us.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit. Oh, he put on his hazards. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Fucking people can't take a joke.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Hey, 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 hey! Hey, 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 hey!
You got fucking thrown in my
Hey, 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 hey!